Hi guys, I was gifted this electric pressure washer from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. I'm going to go ahead and wash my dirty car with it. And so I'm going to take it out of the box and show you all the components that it comes with and how it works. So to put this pressure washer together, it was really easy. You just plug in the hose right here, turn it to the on. There's a couple screws that you put in right here for this holder. This just slips on. This slips on here, and there's a couple screws here and a couple screws for this holder. And that's where the water hooks up to it. So it was very simple to put it together once I got it out of the box. All right, guys, I got the pressure washer all set up here. I got some soap in here. I'm gonna be washing my dirty car. I'm gonna start by soaping it first. It puts out all kinds of soap here, as you can see. I'm gonna finish soaping the rest of the car. All right, the car is all soaked. I'm gonna switch over to the pressure washer nozzle. It's this simple. And the good thing with electric pressure washer, the motor turns off as soon as you let go of the trigger here. So it's not like a gas one that just constantly runs and makes a lot of noise. And then this is how you slide on the wand. And then there's different, so there's 0 degree, there is 15 degree, 25, and 40. So let me try 15. That's got some power. All right, I'm gonna go clean this car. As you can see, it pressure washed my car perfectly. My car is now clean because I used this pressure washer, and it was really simple to use and put together. No issues at all. So I would go ahead and recommend this pressure washer. Thanks.